Today, we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5, the headphones that redefine peace with their industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine silencing your daily commute, a noisy office, or even an airplane cabin with just a flick of a switch. That's the immersive world these Sony headphones offer. And the magic doesn't stop. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, you can enjoy weeks of listening before needing a charge, perfect for long flights or busy workdays. Switching seamlessly between devices is a breeze thanks to multi-point connection, letting you easily jump from your laptop to your phone without missing a beat. What truly sets the XM5 apart is not just how well it cancels noise, but the comfort and intelligent audio processing that adapts to your environment for a truly personalized sound experience. If you're looking to upgrade your audio experience or find the best noise-canceling headphones for travel or work, these are a serious contender. We've put a direct link to purchase the Sony WH-1000XM5 on Amazon in the description below, so you can check out the latest deals. The sound quality is crisp, the design is sleek, and the freedom from distraction is truly transformative. For anyone serious about premium sound and unparalleled quiet, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are absolutely worth the investment. Don't miss out on what many consider the ultimate listening experience. Hit that link and experience the difference yourself.